What is up, everybody? It's your boys Wolf Performance here, back with another WRX video here. And today's mod, I guess you can call it mod, is we're going to be installing one of these. It's just a big screen that has Apple CarPlay and everything. And it's a 2010 WRX, so obviously it didn't come with Apple CarPlay, but we're going to add it in. This was a fairly simple mod, takes about 5 minutes, and cost me about $178 after tax, I believe. I bought this off of eBay. I didn't get the iDoing kit or anything, but it's pretty good. Let's get into it. Right here's the old stock radio, right? Stock radio. And then we got the new radio right here. So, first thing you want to do, I've already done all this. I'm gonna just walk you through it real quick. Should be a short video. So you want to take this bezel off. Don't toss it out because you still need the vents. But you take that bezel out. There should be a screw right here, screw right there, a screw up here, and a screw right here. Take those 4 out. Your radio comes out. That harness that's right there, both of those, unplug it, and then you take the antenna wire off. That's right there on the bottom left corner. Take that one out, unplug that, and then you can put that radio to the side. You don't need anything else. My radio came with this blue USB cable. This is for your Apple CarPlay, which I already have it routed down here, kind of hidden. You have to plug up your iPhone charger to it in order for your Apple CarPlay to work. So this is your USB cable for Apple CarPlay. This right here for the reverse camera, I have that wired up already. And then this right here, this is your stock plug-in. The stock plug-in in the radio. And that's basically it. You don't need anything else. This is for the camera. But yeah, that's it. Just those 3 plus the antenna one, because the antenna one fits as well. So back to the vents. You need these vents so you can transfer them to the other bezel. As you can see, there's no vents here, so you need your old vents. Fairly simple to pop off. There's tabs underneath. There's a tab right there, 4 of them on the bottom, 4 on the top. Fairly simple to pop out. Pull one of the tabs up, and then go to the next one, bam, vents are out. Now for your vents, same thing as popping them on. The smaller side on the bottom, wider side on the top, and then you just kind of clip it in. Now they're in, right? They're not falling down. This is where your Apple CarPlay is going to plug up. Your reverse camera should plug up right here. And then this is your radio harness that plugs up. And that's all you need. Just that. I believe it's this one or this one. Either or. And then your antenna goes right here. So let's get right into it. Plug it up. And then we'll test it out. So right here's the radio. You can plug that up. Be kind of hard to tell. So here's your antenna. If you use the radio, you can plug that up. This is your radio harness. There. Your Apple CarPlay. Right there. And then if you have the reverse camera hooked up, I believe right here. And then you kind of want to position everything out of the way from the vents. Push on it, clean it off. And so now when you put the reverse in, reverse camera comes on. And I have that installed. The instructions are simple. I have my iPhone charger here, and I'm gonna plug it up. And so there's the Apple CarPlay. You're connected and everything. You can go through all this. Here's all your apps. There. Come back over here. You can use Waze. You can use Apple Maps. Messages. Your music's here. Right. There's your music. And then also if you turn the lights on, this is at nighttime obviously, it dims, you turn the lights off, comes back up. So fairly simple mod. I'll put this in the description below, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Like I said, it's not too bad. It's $180, and yeah, it's not like your iPhone, you know, as soon as you touch it, it moves, you know. It has a little bit of a lag, but for $180, it is far better than the stock radio. It looks a lot better, and it cleans up the whole look of the car. No, there's your radio. It cleans up the whole look of the car. So for $180, I cannot complain. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe. I'll be bringing out more videos. I'm gonna make a splitter soon, and then we're probably gonna do more stuff to the vehicle. And yeah, hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe. Peace.